Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. Why should you enroll in the Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB? This course is one of the best business courses on the market for a number of reasons. The course is designed in an easy-to-understand way, sharing the step-by-step process of running your mastermind, as well as helping you to deliver an unforgettable experience to your audience. KBB shows you how to tap into the skills and expertise you already have. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. The course includes proven marketing strategies that will help you fill your masterminds. 60 years of combined experience has led to the creation of this course. You literally couldn't learn from more qualified people. The Knowledge Broker Blueprint has quickly become the top programs for people looking to monetize their expertise. The amount of knowledge shared and the quality of the training videos is utterly insane. Regardless of your niche and your passions, this course can help you succeed. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.